Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the front center accent and turn light from Tusk for the Pro R, the Turbo R, and the Pro XP models. What's cool about this accent light is that it's just a direct bolt-on replacement. So same connectors as your OEM light. So direct plug and play, very easy to install one of these. But what's cool about this accent light and why you might want this is that it actually has amber lights on the sides that you can utilize as your blinkers. So if you already have or you plan to add a horn and signal kit, well, this front accent light can just do your blinkers for you. Now, something just to keep in mind is that this accent light doesn't come with the horn and signal wiring kit, but you can pick that up separately on our website. So it's just kind of a cool way to combine everything into one. It just gives a cool look to your side-by-sides. Now, another accessory that you can add along with this are the tinted tail lights that we have in the back. And those are just going to add a little bit of style to your side-by-side as well because they have the smoked out or the blacked out look to them. So again, for all your accessories, Tusk has you covered. To grab one of these today for your machine, it's simple. Click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.